if you understand, some of you who use composite wires, composite materials as wires, you are very successful. Because the composite wires, it creates different space gap. Because this is the copper, and if you have another material, the space gap is much bigger. So you have materials which create different gaps, and you create a capacitor conductor. If you buy very cheap copper wire and make your system which has got more impurities in it, you are more successful than the guy who buys 99.999% copper. Because of the space gap you create. That's why people who use old copper wires from the old buildings when purity wasn't that important, you get a good result. Most of our knowledge seekers have not understood the basic, and I've been over it. And this is why when Alex shows these speeds, it works so good. Because you have created that space gap in the center wire, and what you put on it, and the coil you put on it. It's a space gap pressurizing the center that it feeds to the next one. Different materials is exactly like composite materials. That's why you have a zinc wire and a copper wire in the middle of the stage. It works, and then you put different things. Because you look at the wire, I look at the nano space gap which they create. This creates a nano space gap. This creates a nano space gap. So the stronger to feed, you get a better result. The bigger your wire is in strength, you go up to titanium or whatever, to the copper in the middle, is because of this space gap that it allows the feed. You look at the wire, I look at the plasmatic field flow. How do you wind it? Is it in the direction of the flow? If you, when you just get a wire and cover it on top of the tissue paper, whatever you put the GANs on it. Is it connected this way, or is it connected this way? Are you pushing similar things? Your capacitor to make it to a battery has to be opposite to the other one, the way you wind it. Nobody does that.